Hello and welcome to Junk Journal July for 2023. My name's Lee. I'm from Australia, and during the month of July I'm going to create something in my little accordion journal using the prompts provided. These are going to be quick projects that I hope will motivate and inspire you to do something in your own journal every day. This is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. If you want to join in the fun, the prompts are available from Meg's channel. There's a link in my video description box. Okay, let's see what today's prompt is and get creative. Hello, welcome to day one of Junk Journal July for 2023. So the prompt for today is good vibes. Now, when I think about what gives me good vibes in relation to journaling, it's all the supplies that I really love to use and that I know will give me a satisfactory result. So some of those things are the different papers that I use, like book pages, brown paper, magazine images, coffee dyed papers, those sort of things, scrapbooking papers. Other things I love to use is stamping. I love to use gesso, and I also like to use watercolour paints, either for colouring in portions of my work or just for splattering at the end for emphasis. So this is what I'm putting down on my page for day one for the good vibes prompt. It's a few of the things that give me good vibes when I'm journaling. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. I'm just about at the 3,000 mark now. So I need your help to get across. So if you're not subscribed and you've been thinking about it, or if you subscribe now, that'd really help me. Leave a comment. I love it when you leave a comment. And also, if you've got any questions, don't forget to put them in the comment section. So at the moment, I'm just laying down a few of the papers that I like to use. I love this piece here with that sticky tape, the old sticky tape stain on it. It was from a book of music that had been sticky taped together several times by the look of it, and some parts of it, the pages had actually been sewn into the book. So they were quite interesting. This is, well, it's supposed to be mulberry paper. I'm not sure whether it is or not. It came from AliExpress, so the description might be a little bit loosely used, I think. So what I'm doing with the gesso there is I'm just applying it with the brush and then rubbing it to smooth it out and fade it into the background with my finger. And I love to cover over the intersections of the paper with the gesso. It just sort of blends everything together. I thought I would colour in the flower on this, the stamp that was on the book page I used. So I'm merrily colouring the leaves gold, and then when I get to the petals I realised, oh yeah, that was the leaves that I was doing gold. They were supposed to be green, so I have to go back and do them green again. But anyway, I like to use watercolours just for a little bit of difference in the background. I think they look nice. Okay, I'm just going to put some music in now, and you can enjoy the next 6 or so minutes of watching me create my little page for good vibes. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments. So I hope it gives you a few ideas of what you can do for in your everyday journaling.